Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry I haven't posted anything in a few days. This has been a really busy week, even this weekend. So I hadn't really had time to post anything. Kind of get you up to speed real quick, and then we'll kind of go from there. Kiwi's motor is about 90% done. There's a few more odd end things I've got to do. I still got to go pick the windows tray up from him. He's been busy trying to get customer cards out, so we hadn't really had time to talk, but I need to get with him, get this thing buttoned up, get some oil down in it, get everything primed up in it, and see what we're going to do with it. Because like I said, he's been really busy, so he hasn't had much time to work on the Barracuda. And so I know that car is probably not going to No Name Nationals here next weekend. I gotta get with him to find out if he's coming with another car or if he's gonna be coming at all. Hopefully he is coming. Hopefully we'll get back on track with this thing after the No Names, depending on how busy his schedule is. But like I said, this thing's almost ready. There's a few odd end things I still got to do to it. It'll basically be done. Story on the Lark. The motor is shot in this thing. I was going to try to turn it over, but she's locked up tighter than a drum. So we're going to end up pulling the motor and training out of this, and probably going to get started on this after No Names. Start getting hot and heavy with this car a little bit. But right now what I need to do is rearrange my garage again. I know I added space off to the side of the garage, but man, it's filling back up quick. I gotta move all this out of the way, find a place for all these Studebaker parts, get them off the ground somewheres, and then my other half's brother the other day drops me off a box of Harley Davidson parts that he's wanting me to get rid of. So now I gotta do all that. So, time to clean up the garage, get the Studebaker in, and let's get started. Well, that didn't take long. Good old magic of editing. But got the other side of the garage cleared out to bring the Studebaker in, and got the stuff out of the way for the most part. I love my little braces on my building. They make good holding areas. So I got the quarter and exhaust over there. Front end bumpers, lower rockers. Put the fender on top of my Gen 3 stuff. Stash the radiator over there. And all the Studebaker boxes fit underneath the tables. So now we got room to bring the car in. So let's see if we can, Ethan and I can get this thing pushed in. It's amazing how you can find places to put shit out there.
Oh yeah, like Tetris.
Tetris all the time. Your garage is never big enough. I think in all honesty, we need a 4-bay garage. I don't think that'd be enough. No. Not with everything going on. So anyway, we're gonna try to push that Studebaker in here. We'll see how many times it takes us to do it. Let's go try it.
Drive your passenger.
Go ahead and put the car right there.
That's just
One down. Getting close. Like I said, it might take a few to get it in here.
straight with some.
Yeah. One, two, three. All right, that's good right there. Work. All right, we got her in there. Driveway has a slight incline on it. But she's in here. I'll get the rest of this stuff cleaned out. And like I said, after no names, once we get back, we're gonna start getting on this. We're gonna get the motor training pulled out. Probably get the car up on jacks, get it off the ground, and cut out the rest of the bad part of the floors, and try to test fit my test Hemi block with the NAG 1 training in it, see how it's gonna sit, and take it from there. But other than that, guys, y'all have a good one. Be safe. I'll talk to y'all probably after the No Name Nationals, depending on what my schedule's gonna be tomorrow. If I get home early enough, I'll try a Monday Night Live. So it'll probably be the last segment before I come on. And I'll probably be coming on at 8 o'clock Central. So other than that, see you down the road.